Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm here in amazing Turkey at the beach, and this is why you need to buy Bitcoin, people. This is $150. $150. Look at this. This is 150 US dollars in Turkish money. This is why you got to buy Bitcoin, and it's ridiculous. If you look in my wallet, I have like currencies from all over the world, and it's like stacks of currencies, and they're all just paper monopoly money. Bitcoin is the first real money humans have had. Why? Because there's no people's faces on Bitcoin, people. There's no person's face on Bitcoin. There's no president. There's no king. Your queen isn't owning your money. No president or prime minister. No one owns your money. Bitcoin is the first human money, and that's why you need to pay attention to Bitcoin. Do your own research, but Bitcoin is a revolutionary technology. Don't get spooked out by the prices. We long, we short, we made money yesterday on the short on Bitcoin. You make money on the trading, but your goal is to stack as much Bitcoin as possible, not this fake paper money that loses not 90% of its value every year. The inflation, I think, is at 70% per year for the Turkish lira. This is $150, and this will happen to your fake currency. Whatever face is on there, it will happen to it as well compared to Bitcoin. So pay attention to Bitcoin. Hit the subscribe button. Join 77,000 people. Smash up thumbs up on it. Right now, there's an exploit on CRV. There's an attack on CRV happening. What happened is the founder lent CRV to borrow USDC, and someone figured this out, and now they're trying to break CRV down to 0.24 by borrowing CRV, shorting it on the open markets, dropping the price. Their target is 0.24. Why? To liquidate the founder of CRV, another possible black swan event which could drop the markets. Bitcoin trade from yesterday is massively in the profits. I think it hit the take profit already. Hit the subscribe button. Join almost 78,000 people now. They're down there on your phone. Smash that thumbs up button. Thumbs up button. Let's smash the algorithm. Every video, comment down below. Hit the comment button. Subscribe. Smash up thumbs up button so the YouTube algorithm pushes my video. I can get my message pushing Bitcoin and teaching about investing. I've been investing for 21 years, and you can learn some stuff from me. If you've been watching my channel for more than 2.5 years, you see me travel the world, working from my phone, doing all the trading from my phone, running companies from my phone, making videos from my phone. My goal is to teach you to have financial freedom, abundance for all, where you can travel, be free, buy what you want, spend what you want, not work your whole life for this paper money bullshit and struggling to be every week. Let's jump onto the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into for Bitcoin, and exactly as I predicted in my previous video, which was boom on top, we exactly hit the take profit. Look at this. Bitcoin dropped from when I made that video 16,015 all the way down and hit the take profit at 15,600. It even went lower, went down to 15,453, but we got the meat of the move. We reached $61 to make $413. With 10x leverage, that was $4,130 of profits. With 100x leverage, that was $41,000 of profits. I'll show you that video where I called it. This was 15 hours ago.
Stop loss just above previous week. Let's see on the 15 minutes if it's going to do anything. 15 minutes is turning up, so we're going to get a bit of recovery. So short it from here. I could put higher stop losses, right? I could put up there, and then we'd be extra safe in shorting it. But it's better than...
That was the short that we did. That was when I was in the business class lounge at the airport, and I made that trade and made money while we're traveling and flying around, which is beautiful. Let's jump and see what's happening to Bitcoin next. So on the longer term time, everyone, the time to sell Bitcoin to sell your spot positions was at 69,000 when I called the day of the top. That was the time to sell Bitcoin. Here at the start of the bear market on November 2021, when I was the only person in the world, I was even at the financial summit, I was the only person in the world to call the day of the top at 69,000, and we went from all the way down, and now we're coming close to the blue line, and this blue line is important. This blue line is a trend line that started back in 2000. You can see here, this is the start of the trend line, 2019. Then 2020, March 2020 pinned it through. And you can see that we're targeting to come down there. If it does come down there, it will be coming down to around 12,600. And what you can see here in the closer time frames, in the monthly time frames, you've got this descending triangle. They're usually bullish. They come down, they build pressure like this, and then they have a big breakout. So the target will be this breakout for that descending triangle in the longer term time frame. But first, Bitcoin will pull back, it looks like. Let's see where we're going. But in my opinion, we're very close to the bottom. And I've been buying all the way down here, ladder in. If you think it's not the bottom, beautiful. You do your own due diligence. But what I'm doing, I'm buying here at 13,000, and I've got a lot of buy orders at 10,000 if it gets down there. The best DCA, always remember this, dollar cost average. I mean, split up your money and invest it over time, not all in one hit. If you learn anything from me, learn DCA. Repeat after me, DCA. Never put all your money in one asset. Protect your money at all costs. Rule number 1 by me and Warren Buffett, don't lose money. Rule number 2, don't forget rule number 1, protect your capital. Dollar cost average. When you think it's close to the bottom, don't put all your money in at one go and buy everything and it drops 50% and your 20,000 becomes 10,000 or your 1 million becomes 500,000. Split up that 1 million into lots of $10,000 and buy it down. Keep buying down. Split up your $20,000 into lots of 1,000 and buy it down. DCA. And when it gets to the top at 69K, I exited on the day of the top perfectly, and all my audience did as well. But also DCA out. DCA when it comes 64K, 65K, 60, sell some. DCA out. Let's jump back in. So now we go into the technicals for Bitcoin. I think we're going to get a bounce off this trend line. It's trying. We broke down. We hit that take profit. It's kind of doing a doji right now. Doji is a reversal candle, but it's still got time. We've still got another 12 hours on the day to find out the direction. You can see here we had a double bottom, but it made a lower low. Look at that. So I do think it will come down to here, but do we get a bounce first? On the 4 hourly, on the daily, we're very oversold. 4 hourly, very oversold with volume coming in. A few tweezer spikes. Look at this. We've got a lot of hammers and tweezers happening here. They're bullish candles. They're showing that Bitcoin is being pushed up here. So we're going to have a relief rally in the short term, everyone. It looks like we'll have a relief rally in the short term. 4 hourly oversold. Hourly, there's a pattern forming here as well. That doesn't look too good, actually. This pattern looks like a pennant, a bearish pennant. It's like a follow-through continuation pattern, unfortunately. So it does look like Bitcoin will drop out of here. Most likely, it will drop out of here and it will drop the base of this pennant, this symmetrical triangle, this distance here. That will take us to around 15,200. So I'll go short here, everyone. I'm going to go short here on Bitcoin. In the short term, I'm still buying for my longer term spot positions, but we can make money on the movements up and down on Bitcoin. You're not like other people getting wrecked in the markets. We've been making money. If you've been following my videos during this whole destruction of the markets, we've actually been making money on the trades, which is not good because I'm still a VC in 40 crypto projects. So I've actually lost hundreds of millions of dollars during this bear market, but I still make money on the trades. So this is the trade that I would take on Bitcoin in the short term. Per Bitcoin, you're risking $44 to make $517 without leverage. With 10x leverage, it'll be $5,170. With 100x leverage, it's $51,700 of profits. That's a trade that I would open right now. Actually, the trade, I would wait till it bounces up and open it. So the trade will be opening at $15,785, stop loss at $15,830, take profit at $15,268. I'm risking $44 to make $517, 10x leverage $5,170, 100x leverage $51,700 of profits, which is beautiful. If you want to trade Bitcoin, underneath this video, in the description of the video, down below in the description, so everyone go down below in the description on your phone, sign up to Bybit, use that link to trade. Buy alt, you need to use this link down there to trade. You can get up to 30,000 USDT worth of bonuses when you sign up using the link. So make sure you go down below to the link on your phone in the description, on your phone down there. Sign up to Bybit to start trading. Use that link to get those $30,000 worth of bonuses. And you can also buy MCRT on Bybit as well. MCRT is available on Bybit. Don't forget, take the courses, learn everything that I'm teaching. If you've been losing money in the markets, if you've been just living paycheck to paycheck, if you've been trading and constantly losing, if you've been investing in stocks and cryptos and constantly losing, take my Stock Guru Master Course and my Crypto Guru Master Course. I have more than 7,000 students on both the courses. Follow me on Twitter, on Instagram, and you can also join that free Telegram live alerts group so you can see I share trades in there, and we have 5,000 gurus that are chatting in there as well. Jesus, guys, at this point, if you haven't taken the Crypto Master Course, you are losing money. Justin, I went all in at 30K, just sold it out this morning, made $4 million. Thanks, James. You're welcome, Bobby. In the process of buying a $2 million house from your videos. Thank you, James. My portfolio just hit over $1 million today because of James with his experience and guidance. James is absolute truth, and taking his master course is a must. Thanks, James, for your great effort. Really appreciate it. This is for MCRT. Regardless of the market conditions or panics in the market, MCRT is working hard. The team is working hard, developing the best play-to-earn game. Our graphic designers, 3D designers, smart contract developers, Unity developers, front-end developers, management team. Our team is more than 80 people now. We do not stop. We're building non-stop. More than 150 all up working, but 80 core team members are building Magicraft. You can already play it at beta.magicraft.io, the first real play-to-earn game. How crypto work? It's okay. I'll just hodl, buy more 2 months later. Never hodl. If you followed me, you got out on November 11th. And if you think I'm bullshitting about getting out on November 21st, November 11th, 2021, I'll show you the tweet. I tweeted it and I saved the tweet. Let's see if I can find it here. Does anyone see it in the gallery? It's somewhere here. Here, calling the exact day of the top Bitcoin on the 10th of November. You can watch that video. It's pinned on my Twitter, James Crypto Guru. Thank you for watching, everyone. That's what's happening in the markets. That's what's happening on Bitcoin. In the next video, I'll do Ethereum and I'll check out CRV, but it looks like CRV is about to get nuked to 24 cents. None of this is financial advice. This is what I am doing in the markets with my money. You do your own due diligence. Consult your brokers. Love you all. My goal is financial abundance for all. Hit the subscribe button. Smash up thumbs up button. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.